Hey guys, good morning. Happy Vlogmas day 10. It's Monday morning, guys. So I am just getting ready to hit that school again. Other day, I was up till 3 o'clock this morning studying. So, because I had so much stuff to do in the house, I wasn't able to get that much studying. So, yeah, between house chores, taking care of the kids, sending my husband off, and making sure everything was proper within my house. Yeah, your girl had to make sure our house was clean, so I just ended up getting everything that I needed to get done. So, which is good because I got everything done, and my husband is gone, so it's just me and the kitties alone. So yeah, I have an exam today, which is nice, and that's pretty much it. I don't know what else I'm doing, but we will see as the day goes and see what I'm up to. But for now, I'm just about to get my coat on and get ready to leave. So hey guys, so I am home. Oh, I'm so relieved. Exam is done and I am home, sweet home. Oh, I feel so blessed to have that exam done. One down, well, two down now. Couple more to go and I am finally finished and off to winter break. Oh, I am so relieved. I am so relieved. Oh, my coat is shedding like a dog. Got feathers everywhere. Oh gosh. So I hope you guys are actually enjoying your December. Time is flying. You can believe it's the 10th already today. We have what, 20 more days, 21 more days till the new year. The year is done. Time is just going. It is going. But then again, they always say time waits for no man. So yeah, I hope you all are having a blessed day. I'm having a blessed day so far. I'm about to just get into some Mary Browns and eat, and yeah, just relax, watch some movie, and yeah, that's pretty much what I am doing for the day. No studying, taking a little bit of a break. I'm off tomorrow, so I'll study because I have my another exam on Wednesday, so I will be studying for that. So I'm gonna take some time off, relax my brain for now, and then I'll jump back into studying later. So I'll get back to you guys later. Hey guys, so it's nighttime. We are not doing much. I'm just eating some food. Yeah, having some liver and some dumpling. Yeah, so I'm having some cooked food. So not doing much for tonight. And my big cup of juice.
Rita's sitting here.
Yeah, and Faith just sitting there.
Paparazzi from Mario. Mahabon.
So Faith is just sitting there eating her food. Me and the girls are just chilling, watching TV. Memphis is hanging out in his room. So yeah, that's all we're doing. Just keeping it low key. Don't be a low key night. We're not doing. We're not doing much. But I get a full day tomorrow. Well, it's a rest, but I still gotta study for my exam. Right? So yeah, we're just here relaxing. Nothing much on a Monday night. Monday night's usually a blah night. It's usually look forward to like the weekend to do stuff. So yeah, I'm just here watching. What is this? I think I'm watching a movie. It's called, I think, Roxanne. So yeah, I'm just sitting here eating and just, oh my, and the excuse the profanity. So yeah, I'm missing my boo, but that's okay. Oh boy. So it's going to be a short vlog tonight. Yes, I didn't do much today. I just had my exam, came home, and then pretty much, I did I take a nap? I think I might have took a nap, but I didn't do too much. Oh, but I got a package, so I'll actually open it in front of you guys. Yeah, I ordered something online and I was waiting for it. So it came. So let me open it. my gift. So let me open it. This is back to this came today. Look what it is. Oh, if you guys want to actually purchase this, I will give you the code here so you guys can use it. Alright, I'll actually post it in the description below as well. So you guys can also use the link as well. So I'm gonna open this. So you guys can see what it is. So the company is called Bonnet by EBONiCURlS, if I'm saying it right. And this is her card here. And this as well. So these are the different styles that she has a website you can actually go on and order it. So yeah, oh, I got a little one. And when you turn it over, it changed color. So it's pink. So, and that's what it looks like. So we have the one for the kids. And then you have the big one here. So it's a big one as well. And the inside, when you turn it over, it's also pink as well. So guys, and those are what the two look like. These are what the two look like, what you could get for the kids. They're good for the hair, and they are silk, which is nice. And they do convert, so I'll show you how it converts. It goes to the other side. And you got the leopard. Yeah. And it's very good quality because I'm constantly having to buy more from the regular beauty supply store, but now I have these ones, so I am good. So there you go, and you can tighten it. So this one is more for my hair, and then you have the strings here, so you can pull it tighter if you want. But yeah, so that's how it works, guys. Two new things that I got for the girls, and it's a new treat. But we are going to call it a night, and I will see you all tomorrow. Bye. Good night. Guys, good morning. What's up, everybody? It is Sunday morning. And yeah, so I'm up, ready. Went to bed late last night. Good morning, guys. Oh, don't watch the hair. I just tried to cut my hair last night. Yes. Oh, it has grown and it needs to get washed.